Namaste, I'm Ushoshi. Thank you for your immense love and support in my previous video. Yes, thank you so much. So today's video will be very interesting. I hope so, because you people will love it, I hope. And last week I was just scrolling Amazon's page. My mom wanted a kitchen organizer. For that I was just searching it, and I found this for 650 rupees. My mom liked it very much, so I just told her, don't waste 650 rupees, just give me 50 rupees and it would be helpful. So my mom was like, kya kar lega, and like that. So she just gave me 50 rupees and I made the exact same thing for 30 rupees. Yes, it is for 30 rupees. I made the exact same thing for 30 rupees. 600 bucks not wasted. Yes. So I hope you all will love it. I just changed the color of the tray and I just made little decorations to the can that I have used. So I hope it will be helpful for you. And without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
So right here I have a mount board. These boards are used to mount pictures and they are easily available, and I have cut this kind of lines for my reference. These are of a random size, so I am not telling you this. So with this mount board I made a dice kind of a thing, and this will be the tray of the cans. The cans will rest like this on the tray. Center of 3 holes will be hollow. I am giving you a picture for your reference what I am talking about. The tray that I made is of a random size because my cans were not all of same size, so I made a random size. The cans will fit and the cans will also look good on the tray, so in that size I have made the tray. So this is of a random size. You can choose any size you want. If you are having small cans, then you can choose a small tray and a thinner tray also. So that is why I didn't give you the size. So there is a no size barrier, you can say. So now I have a clean bowl and some water. I will make a mixture of water and plaster of Paris over here. This mixture will be flowy like this, as you can see. So I have placed the cans upside down and I have nicely coated the can with shampoo nicely so that the plaster of Paris doesn't stick to the cans. And I have coated the tray also with the help of a shampoo. Now I will pour the plaster of Paris. So after 10 to 15 minutes my Paris was set, so I took out the cans. As you can see, there are little unevens, so that is very normal. We will just scrape out with a sandpaper. Now I have a little amount of plaster of Paris in a piping bag. You can make a cone like this, and I will put inside the circle like this. So this tray took 72 hours to dry totally. Remember one thing, do not touch it until it is totally dried, because the surface will tend to dry faster but the inside it will remain undried, and as a result it will break from the middle. So keep this thing in your mind. Keep it aside, don't touch it until 3 to 4 days, and expose it into sun and leave it like that. And after that, color it, do whatever you want to do. So I have nicely smoothened out the edges with the help of a sandpaper, scraping out the uneven things. And now I have the 3 tins. I have made little holes, as you can see, with the help of a drill machine. If you are not having a drill machine, no worries, take a screw and a hammer and hammer the screw down, and you will end up making little holes like this. Now I will make little stands. I have got molded little amount of, and now I will make stands. I will post up a picture over here what I am talking about. I will make little stands of it with the help of a molded. I will just mold it into a dice shape like this. Within 1 to 2 hours the molded will dry completely and your stand will be ready. Now I will color the cans. I have my homemade chalk paint. So this is a homemade chalk paint. I didn't bought it, I made it. So after seeing the consistency of the chalk paint, if you liked it, then do let me know in the comment section whether you want a different video on how I made the chalk paints. Over there I will make the chalk paints, Mod Podge and texture paint and whatnot in one video only. And now I will color the can nicely with the help of the chalk paint. So this is the can after one coat of chalk paint. As you can see, it will need 2 to 3 coats more, because you can see through the color of the can like this, as you can see. And I will color the inside portion of the can too. So these are the cans after 3 coats. I have colored the 3 cans. It needed 3 coats. As you can see the consistency, I couldn't also believe that my chalk paint worked so nicely. So yeah, now I will be coloring the stand. So with the help of a red color chalk pen, this is also homemade red color chalk pen, I will color the tray nicely. You can say that the Amazon one was having that wooden color because it was made up of wood. I made this chalk color, so I wanted to try it on something, so I used the chalk color in the tray. So please don't mind anything. So this was not having in the actual thing. What I did, I just made little spoons, fork and chopstick on the edges of the tray just to make it a little different. So in the cans I have made little modifications. I will be using this jute thread and I will wrap around the can's edge a little bit to make it little funky. So with jute I made this a little bow. Now I will stick it on the can to embellish a little bit more. And I have got a half cut pearl. This is of a little bigger size. And I will stick on the center where I have tied the bow like this. So I made this kind of design. The actual thing was also having a spoon, fork and a chopstick design. So I made this with the help of a pencil. Now I will color it with the help of an acrylic color. And this is the final look.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. I saved your 600 rupees for that. Give it a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. If you didn't like the video, you can easily dislike it too, but I hope that you like the video. I got you. So yeah, if you are new here, I upload DIYs and recycling videos every Friday. If you like my work, I hope you like my work, then do appreciate me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell icon will notify you whenever I post a new video. I will meet you next Friday. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.